Hello everybody, welcome to the Farm Show. Today I'm going to do some welding on the Case IH planter parts. The parts that need to be, the little chain tighteners with the little black plastic idlers, that one of them has broken off and the others need built up. So I'm going to be doing that and showing you guys my little welder. It is a Forney Easy Weld stick welder, 110. It's a nice light little welder, just in case. I got it as kind of a secondary welder. So anyhow, let's fire it up. Oh, here's my project right now. I got a piece of bolt stuck in the hole, magnetic welding clamp, and hopefully it's grounded good enough to weld. Oh, I need to get, okay. As you all can see, I'm by no stretch of the imagination a very good welder. But the part is stuck together. And I'm sure I've caused some anxiety, or I don't know. Maybe your heads are exploding. But I'm not a very good welder. Alright, now these need built up and ground down so as they fit those rollers a little better. Here's a better example. Sand and dirt has gotten in between the roller and everything and has caused it to erode down. I may be a tad hot, but I don't know. So I'm turning it down anyway. Well, guys, thanks for watching if you're still here. The little welder is a good welder. I think it is. To get you out of a bind, I carry it in my van with my generator in case I have to weld something. And for that, it's really nice. It's small. It doesn't have much of a footprint on anything. The little 4,000 watt generator does run it. It does struggle a little bit to handle it, but it does. So, I mean, instead of a several $1,000 setup that will work a lot better, mind you, you have something that you can take and weld something to get it home to your good welder or something like that. And here's the weld it did. Well, but I mean, the machine welds better. The machine welds better than I do. So it does have that going for it. But anyway, thanks for watching the farm show. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch the rest of what I've got if it's any good. Have a great day. Bye-bye.